Hello, welcome back to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel. This is the only channel that has been optimized to make you rich trading the forex synthetic market. If this is your first time of visiting this channel, try your best to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you get notified each time we upload a new content. Try to like and comment and share this channel to your network so that YouTube will push us to high level of audience. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to a great opportunity, which is BoomCrash Indices Millionaire course 2023. Enroll for course today. This should be enroll for the course today. Okay. So actually, this video is going to show you the course content, what you should expect. Okay. You see, this is BoomCrash Indices Millionaire course. You should expect the following: general overview of boom and crash indices. You have to understand the summary of what it is. Boom and crash indices trading discipline. You have to learn the discipline. Money or risk management concept, calculus of boom and crash spike, directions, multi-time frame analysis, and market cycle concepts. You need to learn this. Boom and crash indices market structure analysis. You need to learn this. Boom and crash indices price actions trading strategy. Under the price action trading strategy, demand and supply strategy follow. Then trend line strategy, resistance and support strategy follow. We also have week ejection trading strategy in the higher time frame like H4 daily, week, or monthly. So these are the things you'll be learning. So it's all about focus. When you are learning this course, when you go for this course, what it means is that you will not trade forex, neither will you trade other type of synthetic assets. The only thing you will trade is boom and cash. Yes, that is the reason why you enroll for the course. You didn't enroll for the course to be confused with other products in the market. The essence of this course is to actually make you a millionaire, so you have to focus. So the next topic will be M1, M5, M15 scalping strategy. The number 10 the topic will be staging for short and long-term investment. Number 11, EC Daniel Zone Zero Loss Boom and Crash Spike Staging Strategy. EC Daniel Zone Zero Loss Boom and Crash Spike Staging Strategy. Number 12 will be how to grow a small account to $1 million account using the above strategy. Secret of becoming consistent and profit, full-time boom and cash trader with no giving up. I'm trying to help the community. So this course fee is no longer going to be $250 for the first 10 people that we have access to this course. It will be taken to $150. So if you're among the first enrollee, like the first student that will have access to the course, because this is a new course, it's still new, like nobody have actually purchased this course. So if you are the first person, you will get it at $150. So let me put it here, $150 for first 10 people. So it's going to be hot. So you have to have access to this course. Okay. So this is the things you'll be expecting. Okay. So once you make your payment and you're verified, you will start in learning. You start having access to the course. Okay, the course will be in form of video, in form of PDF, and live trading, and it will be relayed on Telegram. So you have to download Telegram app and then contact me to start the course. So thank you. Bye for now.